Want to create portfolio website for your offers or the services or the products whatever you're offering, and you don't have any graphic designing experience or the coding experience, but still you need to generate a portfolio website, then this video is for you. In this video I'm going to share with you the complete no tech skills required, no designing skills. Yes, a bit of designing skills or the design mindset should be there. So within a time of 10 minutes you can generate the quickly portfolio website. If you are a photographer, if you are interior designer, freelancer, digital marketer, or the product based service owner, or whatever the things you are doing into your business, then this video is for you. In this video I'm going to share with you the complete start to end designing process for your portfolio website. And the best part is no tech skills required and no web developers required, okay? And bestest part is you can create is in free. Yes, trust me, this is the free version of the, you can say it as a website, but yes, you would, if you want exact URL of the website like www.yourname.com, then you need some of the advanced thing. Then at that time you need to purchase a domain from the GoDaddy or any of the service provider. But if you are okay with a free version of the whatever the URL Canva is providing you, like example www.yourportfolioname.canvasite.com, if that is okay for you, it works better for you, then this video is for you. So in this video I'm going to share with you from completely free, no tech skill required website designing process, and trust me, you can generate complete portfolio within time of 10 minutes. Yes, even though you don't have that much design sense or designing expertise, you don't have any experience in the code, that's okay, that's completely fine, because you can copy and paste the existing designings from the portfolios. So I'm going to show you from start to end how to do that. So do watch this video. Welcome to this video. I'm the founder and the CEO and the international author. I wrote a book of the social media marketing. The book is available on Amazon. You just go through that. So I help business owners to simplify their business and building the digital brand. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please subscribe to my channel. Do like this video and share with the needy business app. So before getting delayed, let's start on creating your own portfolio website right now. So create a portfolio website, just go to the canva.com, and here just find a tab of the projects here on the left side. So click on the projects, and here just add any of the new folders you're in. Click on the folder and give the, suppose any of the folder name like portfolio website, something like this, and create a folder. So open this folder. Now here we would create the designs, okay? So create the designs. So now here you can search the portfolio and just go for the portfolio website and make sure its dimensions are from 1366 by 768 pixel, okay? So it's user friendly for any kind of screens and all the stuff, okay? So here would be your the portfolio templates. So now if you want, so this is step 1. Now before starting any design projects into it, just rename this. Suppose if we will create some portfolio website, suppose for web designing services, so web designing portfolio, okay? So first rename this file, because I know you will forget it later on. So in the templates, or you just click on this design, okay? In this design element, just you can search that if you are getting something web designing kind of templates ready. So yes, we got some of the kind of templates, so you can select from this templates, okay? Or suppose this kind of, and click on the apply, boom. So all pages will be applying, and trust me, your website is ready. Yeah, actually your website is ready. Just what you have to do is just add your elements, your brand name, your logos, your images, your content, and that's it. And that's it. Suppose I would give you the example here. Just suppose this is your brand name, web designing portfolio. Okay, suppose I need to write something about my name, my Nisharati. Okay, Nisharati. Okay, here. Okay, so this is the thing what I did. On the second page, I have something like this, so I would show you it here. On the second page, what I have is Sharati. I want suppose about us, so you can write about us, learn more. You can change this image. You can drag and drop the second image. So for the images, I hope you are aware about the image elements and all. Go on the elements and search images here. Okay, suppose photos here. So in these photo you want something web designing kind of thing. Okay, so you would find this. I would delete this. Suppose I want, I'm very I don't like every design. I'm very possessive about the design elements what I'm keeping, because I don't know, this matters a lot for any kind of brand. So whatever you're placing, whatever you're writing, whatever the fonts you are using, okay, whatever the alignment you're using, make sure it should look very aesthetically, it should look good and the professionally. So I would recommend you, if you are a first time user, then go ahead with the existing template. Don't create from the scratch. I know you're best in creating the templates from the scratch, but the color tones and whatever these people are using are really very good. You just have to change about some of the elements, learn more something, or I can, instead of learn more, contact us today. Sorry, something like this. Now here you can change the text. This would be your page 3. So you can add some elements here, featured listing, or you can show them your latest work. Okay, so our latest work, you can show them here whatever the work you did. So here suppose I will web design, so you can add your actual photos of whatever the projects you did. Okay, so suppose now I need this photograph, and you can place this photo here. This is a video as well. You can run a video as well in this portfolio website. So instead of this, you can delete this image block, and you can add a photo or video here. Or suppose if you don't want any video, you can place any of the basic photograph here. Now if you want to remove the this white color background, then here simply beach remover, but make sure this is the background remover will be only in the pro version. If you are using the pro version element of that, then you will get this feature. If you're using the free website, then you will not get. See, it removed the background quickly. So I would just paste this properly. I will align this element here, and make sure this feature is available only in a pro version background remover. Okay, so our latest work like this, and thank you, and your name, your company name will be here. Suppose whatever the thing, your company name, and here your address and everything. So this type of the elements, they are very easy to do. You can add any of the text here. In suppose you want to add some of the subheading here, you can add in easily. You can add here. See, you don't have to write any code for it. It's not a WordPress website, or it's not something a difficult kind of website. It's a basic website what we are creating from the Canva. You can share with your latest work or the design projects. So I know if you want to share your clients wants to see your latest work or whatever you're doing shortly about you, then this is the best thing you can share with your clients. You can add your tagline, whatever that you have here. Okay, so like this, adding the element is very easy. Now I will show you how you can preview this website. So to have a preview of this website, just click on this preview tab, and this would be the preview of the website. Okay, I will scroll it here. So here, just make sure you are clicking up on the arrow of this resize on mobile. Okay, just checkbox this. Make sure, because if you will not click, then this website would not resize on mobile, and many of the clients you would share them on mobile, right? And include navigation menu is the one another thing. If you see it's a page one, it's written, it's a part of the navigation bar. I'll teach you like how to create a navigation bar in later on section, but this is the first version of the mobile. So this is the view for the desktop, this is the view of the mobile. So on the mobile, your website is going to be look like this. Okay, so if you would click on the publish website, this is going to publish. So before publishing, I will share with you how to put some of the navigations here. Okay, now you want to add some of the navigations here. So this is the process. Now you need to click on the publish website here. Okay, in the publish website, this would be the site address URL. So this would be your if your domain is not connected here, you would see something like this, and subpath will be web designing portfolio. Here you can add on your company name. Okay, whatever the company name you have, you can add in here. Like you can add your company name here, whatever and then click on done. So this would be the URL, site URL you would get. Okay, so now if you want to create some of the navigations, then click on the settings. In the settings, click on this pages. Okay, pages tab. Now in this page, so you can see the page 1, page 2. Okay, so in this page 1, if you have something to write, you can add in here. So if you want something to write here, suppose the home, then you can add the home page here. Okay, now this would be the URL for that page. So in this way, you can change the name or element of the pages. Okay, so now here some more settings are there. Search engine visibility. If you want your website to be crawled by the Google, then just click on the tab. Okay, if you want this portfolio to be password protected, suppose if you want to share some of your latest work or the case studies where you need a password, then you can just click on and write a password whatever you have. So with whomever you would share that, they have to put the password on that, and this is the best feature. It depends on what kind of things you are using. So this is the navigation menu. If you clicked on this, so that the navigation menu would be visible here. Suppose you have put it some of the social media links, so this would be the social media link you can add in here. If you don't want the social media link, you can deselect it from here. Okay, so in this way, now you can do the complete setup, and now click on the continue to publish and click on the publish. So now preparing your design, and now your design is going to be published. Just give a second. Boom, your website is published, and this would be your URL. You can copy them, and we will see our website live. So see, your home came as we written that home elements therein, and this is something your published website seems to look like. This is some amazing. Means I think this is not having any kind of thing I can say, like it's not getting blur or it's not getting any of the thing. It's amazing. However we designed it, you would get as it is. Okay, so here again you can add the hyperlinks for your social media, get social and all, business hours, your company page, and this is the amazing. If you want something professional, so this domain, if you think no, this is something not I want to give to my client, I want to connect it to the domain, then that also the thing you can do. Okay, I will show you quickly how you can do that. On a publish website, go on settings, and here in the settings, if you want to unpublish it right now, then click on unpublish. So unpublished website would be there, website would not get published, it would get unpublished here, because if you want to unpublish it. Okay, so this would be the preview, and now I'll share with you how you can connect your own domain quickly. I'm not sharing the complete process here, because this video will go longer, because you would get some tutorials. I would attach some that training material from the Canva in the description box, where you can go and read that article, because that process is really very long. Click on the published website. Herein you would get a site address URL. Below it you would get a new domain. Click on this tab, get a new domain, and here it would prompt you some of the questions, like you need to bring your own domain, or you want to buy something. You can enter your own domain, and suppose if you have anything, then you can type your own domain like this. Okay, continue. Okay, auto connect with Cloudflare. So here, whatever the domain name you have, you purchased, you need to type in, and then you need to connect that domain to the Cloudflare. You need to change the names of the settings. Once you do that, okay, you can log in and auto connect. If you will connect, it will land up on the website of the Cloudflare, and then you can do that NS1 and NS2 record. You need to change that. Once you would do that, okay, your domain name would get connected to this particular website, and that process is really very easy. But if you are not techie person, if you haven't did that, then I would recommend don't change that server settings things. Hand over it to some of the technical person to do that. Anybody from the technical person, any of the web designer can do it, web developer can do it for you. Still I would share documentations like how you can get connected to the custom domain. Okay, so in this way you can create your amazing now how to check the stats. If once you would share that, publish the website, and if you want to check the stats, so here is the analytics. So you can see the total, how many people visited, and total visits of the website. This is the amazing, like if you are running any poll or the quizzes, so how many of the answers, and everything you would get connected. Okay, you want, once you will click here, you click on the social media and share your designs to any of this channel, get insights. Okay, so you can connect your Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, whatever you have, and in this way you can publish the website, you can track the analytics, and publish the complete portfolio easily. I think this process is very amazing, and if you would once you will close this window, open the Canva again, and where to find the project. So you created that project herein, so go in the projects. In the projects you would get your folder. So this is my folder, portfolio website. Click on here and you would get that project here. If you want to build another project here into the same, so you can create, add new, suppose design, again create new design, again search for the portfolio, the same. Okay, portfolio, suppose portfolio website. Click here and save this thing into that project. Create a different kind of portfolio. Suppose I want something photographer. So suppose I want to share some of the photographs. So this is my portfolio website. I would apply to all the 9 sections, and okay, so this would be my project. So photography portfolio. Once you will save it, okay, it would get auto saved, and in these, once you will refresh it, you would get that here in the same folder. So in this way you can systematically organize your complete projects, whatever you are doing, organize your complete listing or the complete portfolio. So you can create tons and tons of the portfolio. You can create the portfolio category by category. See, this is the photography portfolio, web designing portfolio. So whatever the categories you have, you can create like that, and you can share with your clients according to the portfolio. Every week you can circulate the different portfolios with the clients. So this is the amazing thing, and this is the best factor what you can do with it. So thank you for watching this video. If you really like this video, please click on the like button and share the video with anyone. Thanks so much.